got suspended from school today. I got suspended from school. Somebody was trying to fight me, so I pinched their nipple.
What's up, guys? It's your buddy Bass in class. Today I'm going to show you guys my nipple, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. If you do, then make sure you guys drop a like on the video. We're going to jump into a game and see if we can get some fans to prank call their moms. And just mess around with the voice changer stuff. I know I have my deep voice on right now, actually, which should be turned off by the editor, you little fucking pussy. Also, make sure you guys leave a comment on what fans should say to their mom in the next episode, because a lot of the times I'm just like, hey man, say whatever you want. But like, if I gave them something to say and they said it, it would be hilarious. I'm pretty sure there's a lot of dedicated fans out there that would say anything to their moms for my video, which is not a good thing at sometimes. But you know, they get in a video most of the time, and a lot of them don't get in trouble. Some of them do, but it's explanatory, you know what I mean? So here we go, boys. Woo!
I don't know how these professionals do it.
Hey, I'm a professional. Ooh, get back here. Fuck!
Ooh, get back here. Fuck!
Bitch! Eat my ass crack!
Bitch, you put out a secondary, you
Beasted. What's up, Splashy? I remember you.
Do you really?
Yes.
best in the class is a YouTuber.
No, he's not, you fucking pussy. I'm just kidding. Yeah, he is.
Jesus, bruh.
I'm joking. Dude, take a joke! What the fuck?
Bite me, motherfucker. I will eat your pussy.
Oh, yeah? You'll eat my what? You'll eat my what? Yeah, we'll get in my fucking van, you fucking pussy.
Dude, I'll fucking break your balls out and put them back in your stomach so your voice gets higher again, bitch.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'll do that for myself.
Bitch, what are you gonna do about it? I just fucking put them all the way in my esophagus.
Oh my god.
Yeah, bitch, you better listen to me before I eat out your pussy.
Holy shit.
Oh yeah? You ever heard of voice changer rapping?
No.
Alright, here we go. Ready?
I'ma hit it from the back, hit it from the back like a tube of toothpaste, motherfucker. Yeah, I don't give a shit, motherfucker. Yeah, ow!
Holy shit.
My dick just got hard and then soft again.
Thank you so much, bro. I'm the next Lil Uzi Vert ramp.
No, I'm the next Lil. Come on.
I know that fucking rocket launcher doesn't work now. You're not tricking anybody. You're not fooling anyone with that shit, motherfucker.
Hey, you have 3 numbers in your fucking gamer tag, okay? Know your place. I'm just kidding. I'm just kidding. I'm joking! Hold up. I'm trying to fucking 360 no-scope this bitch. You mother... Fuck!
Who you calling a bitch?
Sorry.
Let's get off of Mom's because I just got off of yours.
Damn! Oh, fuck, dude. Can you please get off of my mom? Fuck, she's a really nice lady.
Is she hot, dude?
No way.
Does she take it in the ass or no? My mom doesn't take it in the ass. I've tried several times.
What's up, Torque?
What the fuck?
You watch my videos, Torque?
Oh, what the fucking videos? That's the class. What the fuck?
Dude, no way that's fuck.
Hello?
Oh!
No way!
What's up, dude?
No fucking don't. No.
Like what?
No!
Just in
Yo.
class.
Oh shit, that guy's got a Connect mic.
Yeah, I gotta connect night. Bro, can you do the mom voice?
Hey, if anybody prank calls their mom, it'll go in a video.
What do you want me to say?
Whatever you want, bro. Come up with something. Anything that'll get her semi-mad.
Hello?
Hey, Mom.
Hey, Evan.
Hey,
What's up?
I got into some trouble today. I'm at the police station right now.
Hi.
Because I was out with my friends and we were like tagging up a wall with some spray paint.
Are you being serious right now, or are you lying?
I'm being serious. I was the only one who couldn't outrun the cops.
Are you serious? Is this a prank?
No, it's serious, Mom.
Where's your dad?
I can't call him. He's gonna kill me.
So, explain what happened.
Okay, so we were outside of school and everyone left because it was a half day, and we went and we spray painted this wall, and I drew a big dick on the side of it. And then I guess someone saw us and they called the cops, and all my friends ran away, but I was like, I was late to know they were there, and they got me.
Okay, so, they told you to call me?
You're at the police station right now and you're getting fingerprinted.
Yeah, I'm getting fingerprinted right now.
How come you don't sound too upset?
What do you mean?
I don't know. So what? I need to come down there?
Yeah,
Come get you? You're, okay. So, where were you when this happened?
I was outside of my high school. Can I have an attorney's phone number?
No.
No.
You know you're gonna have to go to court.
Yeah, are you okay with that?
No. Well, now you're gonna have to pay court fees, and you're probably gonna have to do community service.
No.
So can you help me with the community service?
Can you come with me for the community service?
Hell no, this is your punishment, honey.
She's so chill about it.
Well, okay, so I need to come down there and come get you.
Say, do you want to help me draw more penises on the walls?
I'm gonna get my shoes on and
Wait,
get my...
before you come and get me, can you help me? I want to draw more penises on the wall. Can you just like do that for me and then come and get me from the police station?
Are you joking?
Oh,
Why would you say that?
because I want them to really know that I got them.
That I got him.
You're joking with me.
No, I'm not joking with you.
Why would you say that if you were really arrested?
Well, they're not very happy with me.
Yeah, well, you're not in trouble. You wouldn't be saying that right now.
What do you mean?
I don't believe you.
Be like, you want to talk to the cop? Here he is. Oh, hey, this is the cop.
We talked to an officer.
Oh, I guess I'm not in prison now. I'm not in jail. Dad, you ruined it.
Dad, you ruined it.
God is gonna kill you.
Hey, Mom, can you say something for me, though, before we go? Can you say subscribe to Best in Class?
Not after that.
Mom, I'm gonna be famous.
Mom, I'm gonna be famous.
Say subscribe to Best in Class.
Subscribe to Best in Class.
Hey!
Thanks, Mom. Appreciate it.
It sounded like it was so hard for her to say that. She's like, subscribe.
Sorry, Mom.
That's pretty funny.
I love you.
You're really mean.
Sorry.
You're really mean. Can you help me spray paint dicks on the wall? Yo!
Whoa, what the fuck? I think I know you.
No, you don't. Get out of here. Get out of town.
Oh, that shit sounds familiar.
What shit sounds familiar? What, you like my
Voice?
Oh, whoa, what the fuck, dude? Do that deep voice again.
Oh yeah, this map is fucking.
ass?
Hexy is a faggot. Say that in a mom voice.
Who? Hexy is a faggot? I don't know if I want to say that. I'll be nice to him. Hey, Mom, Hexy wants to talk to you. No, Hexy's a fucking faggot! Well, you don't gotta be rude, jeez.
Oh shit. Oh shit, it's him, bro.
Fuck.
Mom.
Hello?
Mom.
Hey.
Hey, it's Jeff. I gotta tell you something.
Yeah.
I got suspended from school today.
What?
I got suspended from school. Somebody was trying to fight me, so I pinched their nipple.
Okay. Wait, hang on a second.
Put it closer, put it closer.
Like, somebody tried to fight me and I pinched her nipple and I got suspended for 4 days. Don't tell Grandma, they don't know.
Okay, so you said what happened?
Yeah, I pinched somebody's nipple and I got suspended for 4 days, OSS. And now my grandpa and grandma are like asking me questions why I wasn't at school. I don't want to tell them. I might want to run away.
Jeff, what the hell? Where are you calling me from?
I'm sorry, Mom. Please don't be mad at me.
What?
Please don't be mad.
Jeff, like you need to grandma and grandpa. I don't understand. Like, what? Okay, so you pinched somebody?
Say, Mom, stop yelling at me or else I'm gonna pinch your nipple. Say that.
Mom, stop yelling at me before I pinch your nipple.
Holy shit.
Sorry, Mom.
What? Okay, slow down. Talk to me. Tell me exactly what happened.
The Jordan kid, remember what I was talking about, the Jordan kid? He tried to swing at me today, so I pinched his nipple, and it was purple, so I got suspended for 4 days.
I'm sure grandma and grandpa already know. Are you not at home?
No, I'm at home, but they don't know. I'm not giving them the paper.
You have to, because if you don't tell them, it's going to be 10 times worse. I promise you, because I grew up with that, so I know.
Say, Mom, calm down or I swear I'll pinch your nipple.
Why, Mom? Calm down. I don't want to pinch somebody else's nipple. I don't want to pinch your nipple. Calm down.
What?
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 Okay, whose phone are you calling me off of?
Libby's, just calm down.
What do you mean, calm down?
I'm scared.
What do you mean you're scared? Where is grandma and grandpa at?
I don't.
Say, I pinched their nipples too.
I pinched your nipples too.
What?
They were trying to grab me, so I pinched your nipple and I ran. I'm at my room right now. The door's locked. I'm scared.
He's pinching everybody's fucking nipples.
Jeff,
What?
I'm sure this school probably already called grandma and grandpa.
I'm scared. Please help me, Mom.
The principal tried to lecture me and I pinched his nipple too.
Yeah, the principal was trying to get me. He tried to lecture me, and I'm mad. I pinched his nipple. It was just a response. I'm sorry, Mom.
This kid's a fucking savage.
You need to go downstairs.
Go
You need to
downstairs?
talk to grandma and grandpa.
Talk to Grandpa and Grandma.
What?
Did talk to them? Just don't be mad at me.
Jeff, are you listening to me?
Yes.
Okay, you need to go downstairs and you need to talk to them.
Talk to them.
Yeah, and tell them what happened.
Okay.
You're just gonna have to face the consequences.
Okay, I'm sorry. Class, how do I end this? What do you want me to say? Be like, Mom, sorry, you just got pranked.
No,
Guess
you
what?
should say you want to suck your nipples.
No, what the fuck? Come on.
Yeah, Mom, you just got pranked. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to do this. I just had to.
Say that you have a nipple fetish.
Nothing went wrong.
I'm so confused.
No. This was a prank call. I'm just joking. I did not pinch anybody's nipple. This was just for a
Prank call
YouTube video. I did not. I'm sorry.
Wow, don't put me on the freaking internet.
It's okay, Mom. It's okay. It's for a YouTube video.
I might have to come down there and beat your tail.
It's for a YouTube video.
You have a fucking tail? What the fuck?
His name is Best in Class. Best in Class. You'll see this video sometime. It's funny. Yeah, that one right there. Best in Class.
I better not hear my voice on there.
It's alright. Nobody's gonna know who you are, dude.
I was so worried. I'm like, so are you sure?
Say you're gonna bite her
No, I'm not in
nipple off.
trouble. What I did to you was a prank. But this is a prank right now. Mom, can you say something real quick? Can you say subscribe to Best in Class?
Subscribe to Best in Class, yo!
Oh my god. I'm cringing very hard right now, but tell your mom I said thank you.
Yo, you're pretty lucky your mom's like that. My mom would have told me shit.
Mexican moms, dude, honestly, they're the worst. Why are you wheezing? What's happening?
Best in class, no way. Oh my god.
Okay, so my friend just called his mom and said that he got in trouble for pinching some fat kid's nipple at school. His mom started screaming at him and hung up.
What? Wait, tell him to call her back.
Call your mom back. Here, I'm gonna put him on the mic. Call your mom back.
Please leave your message.
Mother. Hello? Grandma? Yeah, this is Jacob, Grandma.
What's the matter, honey? What's up?
Bess, my mom's calling back.
Oh, yes, yes.
Hey, Mom.
Now, what exactly did you tell me this again? I would just drop your brother off and Justin was yelling at me and called you, got a detention?
Yeah, I got a detention, Mom. And I'm getting all my assignments in.
And pinching a kid's nipple.
Grounded off the game.
And I pinched a fat kid's nipple.
You what?
What? You can't laugh. You broke character.
You're not supposed to have anybody in the house.
It's Jacob.
I know, but so you're not supposed to have anybody in the house when I'm gone. But now you're gonna be grounded because of that. So
Okay,
it's-
shit.
it's here, I'm gonna go.
I'm grounded.
Say, Mom, I'm gonna pinch your nipple if you keep yelling at me.
No, she'll beat my ass.
And I want your room cleaned up like I had it. I want the whole house clean. I want everything you, but you better get doing it.
Say Jacob wants you to pinch his nipple.
Mom, it's a joke. It's a joke. Oh, well, my mom's gonna beat my ass.
Oh my god.
She said I'm grounded off Xbox and shit.
Oh shit. Well, that sucks.
Hey, Bess, I'll have it when she kicks my ass, okay? You could have that too.
Oh my god. I don't know if I want that. Say something about her nipple. She'll get real pissed.
Oh, no, she'll fucking... No, I mean, she'll actually fucking beat